Good morning guys, beautiful day. As you can see, nasa hotel room na naman ako and we'll do our makeup. Tada! We'll be attending an event. Not just an event, it's a training event. So, medyo serious tayo, no? I am excited to attend because I am ready to learn more. My ears is ready to listen. And my brain is ready to absorb new things, new learnings that I can apply in the future while I do what I do now. Yeah. So, makeup muna ako. Strokes, concealer, nag-leak pala. I've done my skin prep prior to this. It's currently 6:20 in my watch. This is 15 minutes advance. Also strokes for my foundation. Konti lang. A little bit of product goes a long way. Yan. Umaga na. May sunlight na sa likod ko. Sa neck, hindi ko masyadong nilalagyan. Kasi, yung product na nandito sa face ko is automatically when we brush it, na-drag off na. So, magiging seamless na yan later. Also, I'm done with my brows. I'm done with my base, concealer, and foundation. And before I proceed to the rest of my makeup, isiset ko muna siya bago ako magpapatong ng blush, contour, highlight, whatever. Kasi, para mas magtagal siya sa face ko, yung makeup. So, twice akong setting spray. Now, I have this new product. Well, at least for me, new siya. This is the Nutriwear Makeup Stay Lock Mist. 12-hour makeup lock, ultra fine mist, hydrating and nourishing. This bottle contains 55 ml of product. So, ngayon ko pa lang talaga ito gagamitin. So, parang wear test na lang din to, no? So, time check. It's 6:34 on my watch. So, twice natin siyang gagamitin, no? So, this will be the first. Tignan natin kung fine mist ba talaga siya. Okay. Hindi ganun ka-fine, guys. May mas fine pa na mist na na-try ko. But, let's see when it comes to performance. So, balikan ko kayo. I'll do the rest of my makeup, then spray tayo ulit.
I embrace all aspects of my personality. Strengths and weaknesses equally. I embrace my own company. I accept myself unconditionally. Completely. Big and small. I choose thoughts that support and uplift me.
Ayan guys, 2 minutes before 7. Ayan. Konting contour lang. Ayan. Let's lock it with this face mist from YUO. Hindi siya ganun ka-fine, guys. Pero sige na lang. Okay. Hindi pa ito yung lippy ko kasi kakain pa ako. Okay. I still have 5 minutes left until I head out. It's been 45 minutes na yung makeup ko is nasa mukha ko with the setting spray. So far, wala pa namang pagbabago kasi bagong-bago pa naman. But to complete the look, I'll be using these two products. Happy Skin Lip Mallow in the shade Low-Key. Lalagay ko siya, i-apply ko siya sa ilalim ng aking lips. This is my bare lips. I did not put on any lip moisturizer since these products that I'll be using is both moisturizing on the lips. Nilagay ko lang siya sa ilalim para pag mabura to, still have a lippy on. Ayan. This one pala is from Sunny's Face. Fluff Mate in the shade Kitsch. It says best lip ever. And sa aking first application, I can say na, yeah, it's a MLBB shade kinda lippy. Ayan. So, nag-iba yung shade niya because meron na tayong lip product under. Medyo nag-dim ang paligid, unlike kanina. Kaya yung lighting medyo naiba din. Ayan. So far, naggugustuhan ko na yung atake ng ating makeup because parang nagiging seamless na siya on the face, lalo na kapag alam mo yung mga isang oras na. Ayan. Get back to you in a few hours. Tingnan natin. Hey guys, back in the hotel. 7 AM, you know, yung last kong lagay ng spray ng this one, the Nutriwear Makeup Stay Lock Mist. This one. And now, it's currently, oh my god, it's 10 PM, guys. And look at my makeup. It's still there. Medyo na-wear off na siya. Pero yung aking eyeshadows is still intact. May konting blush. Pero syempre, wala na akong lip product kasi uminom na ng tubig, nakakain na. Yung concealer ko, meron pa rin. And I can say na, nag-retouch pala ako kanina sa forehead kasi medyo shiny na yung forehead ko. But the rest is still okay siya, guys. Well, in fact, this is much more nicer or mas good ang performance niya kaysa doon sa O2O na ginamit ko. So, this one's worth the try. But guys, mas konti ang laman ng bottle na to. It's only 55 ml. But with 55 ml, kung gagamitin mo every time you do makeup, parang 3 sprays lang naman. So, medyo matagal mo na rin itong magagamit. That's it! Find the links of the products in the caption or in the description box or in the yellow basket if you're watching this on TikTok. Bye!